This is a K-Rigg way of fixing Christmas lights. Don't really recommend this for anybody because you shock the crap out of yourself if you do it wrong. So this top of this tree is not working right now. Okay. So if you take a car coil that's on an old car and you very carefully, in manners that are not advised to anybody on how to wire this up, a 12-volt drill battery, and then basically what you do is there's a positive and a negative, and then where the spark plug goes. And if you wire up this correctly, so that the negative goes to the negative, and then you take one negative to the other negative without shocking yourself, and then the spark plug wire part goes to the positive. Okay, now take the positive of the 12-volt battery, and then all you're going to do is start doing that I jumped off a couple times. What that's doing, hopefully, is creating a spark in the lights. And so after that, disconnect everything. Set this down. And then, if you plug it back in, we got some lights.
Ta-da!
So I got to figure out where it's going, but basically what it did was it created a spark between whatever filament was loose, and it joined them back together. So that's not working. So let's spark plug to one side, negative to the other. There's your 12-volt battery. Negative the coil to the battery. And then tap that a couple times. Hook everything. Let's see what it lights up. Got one more strand.
Got a long way to go.
And it might be, but hey, it will be the Festivus tree of only like 3 layers.